In this video, I'm going to tell you to draw a realistic moose. Those who faces a lot of problem while making moose, it can be very helpful for them. Before moving further, make sure to sharpen your pencil and clean the surface as the dust particles can make patches onto your shades. First, simplify the outline by drawing some lines in different shapes. For a better understanding, see this. Now clear your outlines and erase those line-shaped shapes drawn before. After that, mark the areas of darks and lights, like this, and shade the dark part using 2B grade. Now take HB grade and shade the light parts. Use greater pressure where the dark part is and lighter pressure in highlighting areas. Take any flat brush or blending stick and blend the dark and light parts slowly and carefully. Make sure to apply same pressure in all areas. Now take any eraser and lightly erase the highlighted areas. Take 4B or 2B and add some more details to it.